Hey guys, and welcome to another YouTube unboxing. And for today's YouTube unboxing, I've got, you guessed it, the V-moda CrossFade 3 wireless headsets. These are the headphones that Tiesto uses to DJ with. Not the wireless ones. He got the, I think it's the Pro or the Masters. But anyways, this is the wireless one. I didn't want to get the ones he's got, the model that he's got, because besides this one's better because it does wireless and I could use it around the house, but I could also use it for DJing. And also I got the extension cord because this one doesn't come with this extension cord. And I opened this yesterday. I didn't do an unboxing on it because it's just a cord, and I thought I would save it for today's YouTube episode. So here it is. You get this 1/4" adapter, that's twist on. It's twist on just like the Pioneer one that I have here. That's twist on, and on the other side of the cord you've got this, and it has the thing that tells you that you could plug it in and twist it and it locks on so it doesn't come off. And it's the coil extended cable. A quality coil cable makes a world of difference in the studio and on the stage. Paul Oaklandfold. Oh wow, I didn't know Paul Oaklandfold said that. Anyways, see, and these headphones, by the way, are customizable. You can get rid of those bolts, if you will, and you can customize the plates to whatever design you want. But when I went to do that, to put my logo, DJ Young Cash Boy, I guess the website at the moment wasn't doing engravings. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just get some stickers and put some stickers here that say DJ Young Cash Boy with my triangle logo. And it's an over-ear Bluetooth headset. Plus it has Qualcomm aptX HD, as you can read down there. And it's high-res audio. These are the first high-res audio DJ headphones I've ever seen in my life. Because DJ headphones are not high-res audio. And these broke. These Pioneers, these Q1 BTs I did an unboxing on, I guess 2 years ago. These broke. That's why I needed a new pair of headphones. So I decided to see out there what was good. And then I found out that Tiesto uses these. He uses these. He uses the Stanton 2000s, and he uses the the one that starts with an A. It's called oh man, I forgot now. Starts with an A. Audio Technica. There we go. Some Audio Technicas there that have his logo on the side of the headphones, but they look kind of cheapy or something like that. And I was like, and it had like, there was the one with the shiny glitter on it, with his logo on it, all glittery. And then there was the basic one with his logo on it, and there was a couple of other ones. So I was like, eh. And then I discovered that he uses these, also the pro versions of these. So I checked that out, the website, and I was like, there was a lot of praises, a lot of DJs use this, and I was like, wow. So I said, well, if all the Ultra Music Festival DJs use this, I'm going to use it too. So supposedly it got a lot of awards from DJ Mag Top 100 and stuff like that. But as you can see here, it tells you it's an over-the-ear Bluetooth headphones. And it's in different languages. Has a Immortal Life program, which I'm not sure what that is, and a 1-year warranty. And here and I got this color, which is the one I wanted, bronze black. And then here's the specs. And it says here, I don't know, let me see if the camera could. Alright, closed back over ear. And it has 50mm drivers. So it has that club aesthetic bass sound. because most headphones, a lot of DJs, they use the Beats by Dre headphones for DJing, but those are not really DJ headphones. Those are just your casual consumer headphones. They're not prosumer like this. Oh, and as you can see here, it's 50 millimeter driver, so it gives you that nice club standard bass sound. And it also has Bluetooth 5.1, 30 hours of playback with the internal battery. It has 20 to 2000, 5 to 40 wireless when it comes to frequency. And it has impedance 32, sensitivity 107 decibels at 1 kilohertz and 1 milliwatt. And 350 Gs is what it weighs, 350 grams, 315 grams. And the accessories it brings, it has this like cable, it's called the boom cable, where you could connect it so you can use it for like when you're playing online games like Call of Duty or Nintendo Switch or PC gaming, or you just want to do a phone call with somebody, you could do that because it has the microphone feature, even though probably it has its own built-in microphone since it's Bluetooth and you won't need this. This is like an extra feature it comes with. Here's the USB-A to USB-C cable. Here is the 1.4 quarter-inch Pro adapter, which I already have mine over here from this version that came with it. And the cool thing about V-moda is that all the V-modas come with this case with a little clip, so you can clip it onto your DJ bag and go to your gigs or go to your nightclubs to DJ, or your music festivals, whether you're DJing at Ultra Music Festival or Tomorrowland or Coachella or whatever, you're good to go. Or if you're going to be DJing at any other clubs like Club Space or anything here in Miami. But anyways, let's get with the unboxing, shall we? Let's see what it brings. I didn't really feel like getting my tripod, so I'm going to try and open it up the best I can. Oh, it's magnetic. Look at that. It's magnetic. I didn't realize that. That's pretty cool. I've seen unboxings of this already, but I didn't know it was magnetic. And here's some foam padding. So the first thing you get in the packaging, if I could pull it out, nothing inside there anymore. You get the instruction manual that tells you to download the app, the registration thing so you could register it on the website, which I'm going to do later, and I'm going to register this too. I just didn't have time to do it last night because I was too tired from work. And look at this beautiful case. Oh my goodness, this is a nice case. Oh, heavy duty case, my boy. Now what we've all, oh yeah, and this clip, although this clip doesn't look too, I can find a better clip that I have that's better than this one, but for the moment this clip is going to have to do. And it matches because it's black. And the zipper looks really nice also. So let's open it. Kind of like a clamshell. Oh, okay. So over here is the cable, the boom cable thing, and over here is the, oh, what is this? So over here you see, here's the cable I was talking about with the microphone thing on it. And one thing about these headphones is, let me see, does this have it? Oh, this one doesn't have that feature. Or maybe it does, hold on. Because supposedly this cable is supposed to have a plug on the back where you can be able to connect another 3.5 headphone jack, and somebody could You know, it's kind of like daisy chain it. Here's the USB-C to USB-A plug cable, which is flat, as you can see. And here you can see that it has pockets to store your cables. Which when you're DJing, obviously when you're DJing, you're not going to be on wireless. Because as you can see, there's no such thing as a wireless controller here. Everything's all phono plug. And this one's, it's funny because this Pioneer DDJ Flex 10 has the regular 3.5 and the 1/4 inch. So whichever headphones you choose. But look how cool it looks like. Here's the headphones and look how cool it looks. And this is leather, by the way. Supposedly it's leather. But I like the way it's closed. How it closes. Oh! There's the 1/4 inch right there. But see, that 1/4 inch is different than... The 1/4 inches are different. But I'm sure that I can switch them up if any one of them break, which I don't think they're going to break that easily, but... And as you can see on the side, V-moda. And here's the bronze color. Here's the bolts. So what you do is you can go online if you can find them online. You can find them online, I guess, on eBay or something. These other plates, and you can replace them with other plates, or you could put, well, like what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put stickers with my logo on it. Anyways, here's the USB-C port. Over here is where the headphone jack plug goes. Let's see what else. Oh, and over here you got, I guess this is the power button. That's what I pressed there. Or you move it down like this. You push it down like that and it turns on. Over here you've got your volume control rocker. Plus, minus. I think this is for play and pause. And then over here you got the cord going all the way to the top here. Just look at this design. Oh, and by the way, this is made out of steel or aluminum, I'm guessing. So it's really good, well built. I thank you, V-moda. You guys do a really good job with these headphones. Really, really good job. And if you look inside, you can tell that it has the opening there. And this feels very good. It's like a memory foam padding. And there's the 50mm drivers. Oh yeah, and there's leather padding up here, which is supposed to be memory foam too, up here. And yeah, there's really not much else to say. Well, oh yeah, and the cable, I've never seen DJ headphones like this with the cable dangling down like that. But as you can see there, it's braided. The cable is braided on both sides. So it's a very well built headphone. Oh yeah, and this probably has the instructions on what the buttons do and all that. But you know, everyone's already seen manuals. Nobody really likes to see that but the product on these unboxings. So like always, thanks for watching this new YouTube episode of mine. I know I haven't been doing any unboxing YouTube episodes lately, but hopefully now I could be able to go live and DJ for you guys on Twitch and maybe on YouTube. And yeah, always remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe, guys. And basically, if you guys want this headphones like the ones that Tiesto has, I'll put it down on the description down below, the exact ones he's got. And I'll also put a link down the description of this model, because you know V-moda has different models. And well, and I'll probably put a link down to this too. Why not? And well, guys, thanks for watching this incredible YouTube unboxing of the V-moda CrossFade 3 wireless over-the-ear Bluetooth DJ headphones that Tiesto uses. Thanks, and see you on the next one.